Lucky day. Popcorn.
Be like Roy. Be like Roy.
Clean out this cup. It'll be good as new. I know this movie theater gives free refills with their popcorn and soft drinks, so I found a few containers in the trash and surprised my loving wife.
God, that's so gross.
Can't
That
be
is
free.
so fucking disgusting.
Surprise.
Oh.
How do you do that to your wife?
And a straw, too.
Oh, I was just going to ask you for the straw. I thought you probably wouldn't.
Oh, Roy. You,
Well,
you
nice.
dog, you.
Wow. Thank you. Aren't you lovely?
Aw.
Yes, I am.